Hello everyone. Are you wondering how we got here? Stay tuned and let's find out how. So in a clean pot, I'll be transferring my freshly washed goat's meat. To that, I will add the cow skin, garlic, salt, seasoning, freshly chopped onions, and freshly blended yellow chili pepper. And then I take my spoons and stir this to combine. Doing this allow the seasoning to blend properly with the meat so it get very tasty. Hello, if this is your first time in my channel, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning back. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my video to your friends and families. Don't forget to visit the description box to get all the ingredients and their names and their quantity. And don't forget to leave your comment. It means a lot. Don't forget to watch the ads. So I'll be leaving this to cook for 10 minutes on a medium flame. So while that is aside, here is our okra. To wash this okra, I'll be adding some salt. The reason is to help clean it properly and help to remove any insects sticking to the body of the okra. So I'll be washing this and then I'll repeat the process until the water is clean enough. Then I'll be cutting this okra off camera, but I will show you the shape of okra I'll be cutting in case you would prefer it. Some love to use grater to grate it, but I love to chop this with a chopping board or even using my hands. But please, if you're not good at handling knife, do not use your hands. Make sure you have a chopping board or preferably the grater, everyone. Keep watching and don't go away. We are making okra soup with ogbono. Have you tried it first? Which of them should you add first, the okra or the ogbono? And what leaf do you use? Let me know at the comment section the type of leaf that goes with. Well, everyone, here is the leaf I'll be using for this very okra. Do you know this leaf? Do you know the name? Let me know at the comment section down below. So but I'll be giving you the name right here. This is uziza leaf. Now this leaf gives my okra and ogbono soup a very delicious flavor and aroma. I don't know if you have tried using this for your okra or the ogbono before. If you have, please let me know at the comment section down below. So I always like to use this leaf for any draw soup. It is super, it is giving everyone. It takes the soup to another level. So this is uziza leaf. If you don't know what it looks like, that is exactly what it looks like. So while that is aside, here we have our mackerel fish known as Titus fish in my locality. So I just want to show you what the smoked one look like. So if you want to buy it, you know exactly what you're buying, because we have the look-alike, the kampala. So the Titus have a small eye socket. It's very small and the head is small compared to that of kampala, everyone. So this is what we call Titus or mackerel fish. So to prep this, I will just simply remove the bones from the center, cut off the head. You can as well clean this head and add it. Please, every part of this fish is very delicious. So you can just remove the particles not needed from the head and go ahead and add it, everyone. Keep watching. If you've watched my video up to this point and you're new and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and turn the alerts, the bell to get alert. So at this point, you see that our meat is almost cooked. Goat meat does not require much time to cook. That is one thing I love about goat meat. It doesn't take time to cook compared to beef and other proteins. So at this point, I'll be adding the fish and then I'll be adding enough water to bring everything to a proper cook. So I take the spoon to stir this together so the ingredients blends properly with the fish before I add the water I need. So everyone, what leaf do you like to make your ogbono soup with, or your okra? Do you mind sharing? Let me know at the comment section down below. And I have playlists in this very channel. So when you come to my channel, please don't be in a hurry to go. You can watch my playlists on Nigerian delicious traditional soups, the Yoruba style, the Calabar styles of soup, the Igbo styles of soup. All recipes are in my playlist, so please do visit the playlist to watch any one of your choice. So while this is cooking in a clean pot, let's prepare our ogbono. So in a clean pot, once it gets hot, I add palm oil, and once this oil gets hot, we are not blanching it. So once it heats, you notice it's hot, go ahead and add your blended ogbono and stir this on a low flame. Everyone, on a low flame. If you use a high flame, it's going to cook, it's going to burn this ogbono and you would not like the taste. So stir this on a medium flame until all lumps blends properly and is super smooth, like what you see on the screen right away. And once it is properly smooth, just within a minute, turn the heat and allow it to cool and set it aside. So let's continue with our cooking. So here our soup stock is cooking, and at this point I'll be adding crayfish, what we know as blended prawns, dried ones. So I will be adding according to the quantity I like to use. Add according to your taste, according to the quantity of soup you want to make. And at this point I will add in more water, the quantity of the soup I'm going to make everyone, and allow it to cook properly for another 5 minutes. Doing this allow the soup stock to become very tasty, blends properly with the crayfish, the fish, the seasoning, everything. Keep watching, don't go away, and don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos, and don't forget to watch the ads. That is the way you support my channel. So at this point, taste for salt, taste for pepper, taste and make sure everything is moderate. And at this point, we'll be turning in the already prepared ogbono we stir fried. After adding it, make sure you use your spoon to stir it to make sure that some parts is not getting thicker so it doesn't get burnt. So at this point, I'll be adding the okra. I'm adding the okra, and at the same time I'll be adding the uziza leaf, because okra is vegetable, it doesn't take time to cook, and the uziza leaf has a very hard texture, so I have to allow it to cook with everything once. So everyone, let me know at the comment section what you think about this super delicious okra and ogbono soup together, and please bring your plate close so I give you some soup. This soup can go with any swallow of your choice: fufu, eba, oflo, plantain flour, whatever swallow you want to do it. And this soup is delicious. It can be served in traditional ceremonies or parties, everyone. So if you've watched my video up to this point and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and don't forget to visit this description box. Thank you, stay safe, stay connected, and see you all in my next video, and bye for now.